And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Ho-ho!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Ho-ho! That's me! Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Creativity Castle. My name is Sourpuss. Here in the tower of the Creativity Castle is where I love to be creative. Each week, we bring to you a new Sourpuss creativity exercise. I sure hope you can join us for a new and exciting episode from me, Sourpuss. Today, we are going to be creative with leaves. And for this creative exercise, we will be using watercolor pencils. The first step for this creative exercise is to draw or trace around our leaf. I will be using a green watercolor pencil to trace around the leaf, like this. When tracing around your leaf, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do the best you can, and this will be fine. Hoo-hoo. I love to draw in the fall. Hoo-hoo. And now we're almost done tracing this leaf. Just a little bit more. And now just this little bit on this side. Hoo-hoo. Okay, now we have our tracing of our leaf. After we've traced our leaf with this green watercolor pencil, we will now fill our leaf with various colors of the fall, like orange, yellow, and red. But before I do, for this drawing, I want to make this leaf appear as if it is changing colors. So I will start by coloring in the lower portion of this leaf in green. Here I want to color in just enough of this leaf with the green so that I can blend the green in with the other colors of fall. Oh, this looks pretty good. And now, before I go on to the other colors, I'll add the lines or the veins to the leaf, like this. This will just add a little more interest and dimension to my drawing. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now that we're finished with the green watercolor pencil, let's go on to another color of the fall. How about yellow? With this yellow watercolor pencil, I will begin to add quite a bit of yellow to this leaf. Yellow will be really pretty when I begin to blend it in with the other colors. Oh, how I love to be creative with colors. Oh, and speaking of colors, I think I just saw Butterfina fly by my window. Hi, Butterfina.
Hello, Sourpuss.
Today I am being creative with watercolor pencils. Soon I will be adding more colors and then some water to create all kinds of pretty colors.
Ooh, look at all those pretty colors. Have fun, Sourpuss. See you later.
Oh, bye-bye. Okay, now let's add some orange color to this drawing. If you've watched my show before, you probably know that orange is my favorite color. Hoo-hoo-hoo. With this orange watercolored pencil, I will begin to overlap some of the areas that I've colored in with yellow. I do this so that when we add water, it will blend the colors together nice and evenly. As I'm drawing and coloring in this leaf, it's nice to see that even before we add water, this is looking like a really nice drawing. Hoo-hoo! I hope you are enjoying today's creative exercise, and if you haven't already, please remember to hit the like button underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, this orange color looks pretty good. Now that we're finished with the orange, let's go on to the last color that we'll use for this leaf. Let's choose the color red. Being creative with watercolored pencils is sure fun. Oh, how I love the colors of the fall. And here we have our leaf all colored with the watercolor pencils. I will next use some water and this brush to blend the colors together and to create a fall-like watercolor effect. The colors of the fall are beginning to be seen here at the Creativity Castle. Fall is in the air. To begin using my watercolor brush, I first dab the brush in some water. Next, I will begin to blend the colors together. Here, I will start with the green and work my way around my leaf. I always keep a little paper towel nearby to dab out just a little bit of water if I have too much in my brush. For this drawing, I just want to have fun blending these fall colors together. And you'll notice as I continue to add water to this drawing that the colors appear to be much more smoother as they blend together. This smoothing out of the colors is one of my favorite techniques when using watercolor pencils. As I continue to use the watercolor brush, I really enjoy seeing all of the different tints and color tones that are created as I blend these fall colors together. And as I do so, you'll even notice that some of the color appears to be a warm brown or natural tan color, very much like what you see in nature as the leaves are changing. So let's just enjoy blending these colors together as we continue to create this fall leaf creation. Here in this area is where you can see more of what I was saying. As these colors are blended together, they have more of a natural look to them. You will notice if you keep enough water on your drawing, blending the colors becomes easier, and you could always go back in different areas and blend the colors in a little bit more. As you can see, there's just a little bit more of this drawing that we need to blend in. Oh, how I really enjoy all the fall colors. And I really hope you're enjoying doing this watercolor drawing and creating all these wonderful colors that we're blending together using watercolor pencils and water. And here we have our leaf drawing using watercolor pencils. Woohoo! Oh boy, this watercolor leaf drawing was sure fun. We'll see you next time, and remember to be creative.
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Ho-ho! Remember to go to our website for our latest activities and downloads. Register today for free. Ho-ho!
Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends.